This plane is about to get powered by something so strange that it seems like it should be from a different century. It's called the Iron Engine. By the way, I wouldn't recommend you doing this at home because, yeah, high voltage. There are also slightly less professional versions of this, but at least it's actually a thruster. The thing that is pushing these crafts is called ionic wind, and I'll try to sum it up as easy as I can. At the top of this particular craft, you can see a wire wrapped around this triangle, and when you apply 20,000 volts to it, it means that the electrons on the wires actually get ripped off the electrons get ripped off the surrounding gas particles, ionizing them to be positive. For context, negative is the tinfoil. This particle then speeds towards the negative side, wherever that might be. On its way, it also displaces some air particles. And then, ta-da, you have wind, but not any wind, electric wind. This electric wind then pushes stuff, you guessed it, up. But how does it work in space when there's no particles to hit? Well, to put it lightly, you bring the air with you. Instead of oxygen, most rockets use xenon, which is a high-density gas, and it's more effective because the ions have more stuff to run in. The xenon gas is also what the Dawn spacecraft used. Now, you should know a bit more about this topic when you see one of these. So thanks for watching, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you later. Bye.